Did you know that one ad can sell 20 times more than another? How? By following David Ogilvy's timeless advertising principles. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 of his most powerful strategies and giving you actionable tips you can use today to create ads that sell. Let's get started. David Ogilvy, the father of advertising, was more than just a creative genius. He was a strategist who turned great ideas into sales powerhouses. From Rolls-Royce to Dove, his campaigns reshaped the advertising world. Ogilvy said, "You don't stand a tinker's chance of producing successful advertising unless you do your homework." He was obsessive about research, and for good reason. Understanding your product and audience is the foundation of effective advertising. For example, when working on Rolls-Royce, Ogilvy spent weeks researching. He found this golden nugget. At 60 miles an hour, the loudest noise in this car comes from the electric clock. That one insight became the headline for one of the most famous car ads ever created. Actionable tactics. Here's a surprising fact. Ads with longer, specific headlines often sell more than short, vague ones. Why? Because they promise value, answer questions, or pique curiosity. Ogilvy believed in headlines that stop people in their tracks. Actionable tactics. Make your headline specific. Instead of "save money on your electric bill," write "cut your energy cost by 30% in 3 simple steps." Incorporate benefits. Focus on what the customer gains. For instance, lose 10 pounds in 30 days without giving up your favorite foods. Use numbers and facts. Numbers build trust and grab attention. 7 reasons why this vacuum is better than Dyson. Test multiple headlines. Use A/B testing tools to see which one gets the most clicks or sales. Ogilvy believed in showcasing the product above everything else. If you think the product is dull, think again. There are no dull products, only dull writers. He famously used the Hathaway shirt paired with a man wearing an eye patch. That single visual turned a basic shirt into a symbol of intrigue and sophistication. Actionable tactics. Use high-quality images or videos. Avoid busy, overcomplicated visuals. Show the product clearly in action. Create a unique visual hook. What small, memorable detail can you add, like the eye patch for Hathaway or the cowboy for Marlboro? Show the benefit visually. Don't just say your product is waterproof, show it submerged in water while still functioning. Pro tip: pair every visual with a caption. Ogilvy found that ads with captions are read 300% more often than ads without. People don't just buy products, they buy emotions. Whether it's confidence, comfort, or status, the emotional connection is what drives sales. But simplicity is key. Don't overcomplicate your message. For example, Dove focused on a single promise. Dove doesn't dry your skin like soap can. This resonated with women who wanted skincare, not just soap. Actionable tactics. Find the emotional hook. Ask, how does this product make people feel? Then focus your message on that. Keep it simple. Avoid jargon or trying to sound clever. Write as if you're explaining the product to a friend. Repeat key themes across campaigns. Consistency builds trust. If your brand stands for reliability, show it in every ad, not just one. Credibility matters. Ogilvy once said, "The more you tell, the more you sell." He used hard facts and specific claims to build trust. For instance, his Shell ads highlighted the technical ingredients of the fuel, positioning it as superior. Actionable tactics. Include testimonials. Let customers or experts speak for your product. Show proof. Use stats, charts, or comparisons to back up your claims. Example: 9 out of 10 dentists recommend this toothpaste. Offer guarantees. Adding a risk-free guarantee boosts confidence. For instance, try it for 30 days or your money back. Showcase awards or certifications. Displaying accolades adds instant credibility. Before we wrap up, here are 3 bonus tips straight from Ogilvy's playbook. 1. Use long copy when needed. Don't be afraid of detailed ads. If your product is complex, like a car or software, give people all the information they need to make a decision. 2. Don't chase trends. Ogilvy believed in timeless principles. Instead of gimmicks, Focus on what really works. Clear benefits, strong visuals, and consistent branding. 3. Test. Test headlines, visuals, and offers. Learn what works and do more of it. Let's recap Ogilvy's timeless advertising strategies. 1. Do your homework. Research is your best weapon. 2. Write long, specific headlines that grab attention. 3. Make the product the hero of your ad. 4. Use emotional simplicity to connect with your audience. 5. Build trust with facts and proof. Follow these strategies and you'll be well on your way to creating ads that not only stand out but actually sell. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more actionable marketing advice. And remember, as Ogilvy said, if it doesn't sell, it isn't creative. See you in the next one. Please let me know in the comments which book, topic or video you would like to see.